Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Check that your carrier offers 5G in your area and that your plan includes 5G service. Next, inspect the SIM. Many older SIMs are 4G only, so swap to a 5G-capable SIM if needed. Also confirm your phone model actually contains a 5G modem. If it does not, software alone won't enable it. Once those steps are done, reboot the device and prepare to change network settings in the next stage. Now you'll adjust system settings to allow 5G. Go into Mobile Network and set preferred network type to include 5G or Auto Connect. This tells the modem to search 5G NR bands. Make sure APN values match the carrier's 5G profile. Incorrect APNs can block data even when registered. If your carrier provides a configuration profile or firmware update, install it and then reboot. Once these changes are applied, the phone should attempt to register on nearby 5G cells. Finally, confirm you're on 5G by checking the status bar and your carrier's app for registration details. Run a speed test to verify higher throughput. If results are poor, move to an open area or higher elevation where 5G cells are more likely. If you don't see 5G, try removing and reinserting the 5G SIM, reset network settings, and reboot. If nothing works, contact your carrier. Often a provisioning update or different SIM batch resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.